So there's a few things you want to do while pressure washing to ensure the job goes well. One is always do your due diligence and check for electrical meters and electrical outlets. Try to tape them up and plastic them off the best you can to do the best job of weatherproofing possible. Next is always look for dangers such as ground bees, yellow jackets, hornets. I can't tell you how many times we go and start wetting down vegetation just to hit a nest and get stung up, and nobody likes getting stung. Also, outlets on masonry and wood are a little bit harder to tape up. I always try to tuck the tape on a mortar joint just to help weatherize it a little bit better and protect it from getting burnt out. This is a project we did, and you're going to see in real time how fast the chemicals used to professionally pressure wash can take this algae and just completely kill it. Within minutes, the organic growth that was once on the side of the vinyl will become colorless. Now you need to soft wash it off. You do not want to use too much pressure. Pressure can etch into oxidation and cause damage to building materials. It's best to use high water volume with low water pressure to rinse. You do not want to be using a Joe Schmo homeowner machine that you can buy at Lowe's or Home Depot. These machines are usually low gallon per minute and high pressure. You can see here that I'm really rinsing thoroughly with the chemical. That is because we are in the country on this project, and there are spider webs, egg sacs, cocoons, everything attached pretty well to this siding that I wanted to get off. There was also a little bit of rust oxidation that we removed with some oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is a great chemical to keep on your truck, by the way. Also, I just wanted to throw it out there. If you guys want to learn more tips, tricks, and techniques to soft washing, and additional avenues of making money with add-on services, please feel free to join our Facebook group. I'll leave a link in the description. Sorry about that. Also, if you guys are having a little bit of trouble getting your feet off the ground and would like to try to find more customers, please feel free to visit thecustomerlocator.com. I will also leave a link to that in the description. And I pretty much help others build up digital assets like the ones I have that help me stay busy every day with multiple jobs and pressure washing. Back to the video though, you can see now it's pretty much looking brand new. So after less than 2 minutes, one side of the house is done. Thanks for watching, guys.